Afridi can be a mood lifter. Can he lift his side out of this? Very good economy, 5.5 knot. That's a hit. That is some shot for you. That's gone flat. It's a skimmer from Afridi. Crowds are absolutely loving it.
He's too late. Where's he been? Light.
Covers the stumps, goes big down the leg side. He's called his partner for two. His partner says no, Afridi is back in. Doesn't like the call of Afridi on 12 from just 4. Covers the stumps, flicks it. Gets it on the full.
England needing to get to work. Buttler, the captain. Slightly difficult maybe in T20 when you're captain from a distance.
For Pakistan. Could get bigger. That's a smash. And will this be taken? It's taken off. And it's a 6 over point.
From this over. Pakistan need 20. They need 33 from 14 deliveries.
Is going to go for it, Afridi. Oh, misses the ball, trying to hit it just a little too hard, and fabulously done by the bowler here. Wokes was under a lot of stress and pressure. That's a slice, and it's a catch. And Afridi has been dismissed. So the drama is over. And, well, what a strike from England. Just at the right time, he was steaming forward and threatening to win the game on his own, and this is a slice and beautifully held, a pressure catch, and it's taken.
Liam Plunkett the catcher, and that is a golden wicket. See what it means to Owen Morgan. He's just turned this game, Afridi. Pakistan have a sniff. 24, 148 for 7.